Bolt.new is an AI-powered web development platform that lets you build and iterate on web apps using natural language. To optimize your usage and get faster outputs, it's crucial to understand token efficiency. Tokens represent units of input-output for AI models, such as words or characters, and managing them effectively saves costs and improves speed. Diff Mode, introduced in August 2025, is a core feature that focuses on incremental updates by specifying differences from previous code versions. Instead of regenerating entire files, the AI generates targeted updates, reducing token usage by 40 to 60%. Recent updates include a token tracking dashboard for real-time consumption monitoring. The platform now defaults to Diff Mode for repeat sessions, with an optional full rewrite toggle. To maximize Diff Mode effectiveness, craft concise prompts that focus on specific changes rather than broad redesigns. For instance, instead of asking to redesign the entire homepage, specify exactly what to update, like changing the navbar color to blue and adding a search bar. You can use Diff Mode by either pasting a diff directly from GitHub or describing changes incrementally. For example, specify exactly which line to change and what the old and new code should be. Request minimal diffs in your prompts or use flags like --diff only to limit the AI's response to just the changes, avoiding unnecessary verbose explanations. A developer on Dev2 built a SaaS dashboard in just 2 weeks using Bolt.new. By switching to Diff Mode for UI tweaks, they saved $150 in tokens and improved output speeds from 30 seconds down to 5 seconds. Diff Mode excels for small, incremental changes, but for major refactors, full mode prompts might be more suitable. It truly shines in iterative development workflows.